Hi all. Today we are going to work on a process model, that is process model best practices that we have to follow while working on the process model. Actually, while you start working with the corporate, then every senior developer or manager expect from you to that you will follow all the best practices while working on the process model actually. So, uh, which best practices we are going to follow here? That first best practices is like open the properties and go to the data management. That you have to work on two radio buttons like archive process and delete process. What you want to do? Actually, these means like after your process instance completion, this process instance will be archived or you want to delete it. Means that if you want to delete that particular process instance, then particular how many days after completion or cancellation means this process instance will be completed deleted from your memory. It will not restore or any other use of it. And if you try to work on the archive process, then it is a default value by 7 days. After 7 days, this process instance will be archived, and if you want to check after some days or when you need to check a process instance that what value we are going to get, then you can check there. Okay, so we uh, get we select both the options according to our need. That let's suppose you are working on a process model, that a normal process model, you don't want to get the any details after some days or when you need, so you can select the delete process instance. Otherwise you have to select the archive process instances. Okay, second one is alerts. Alerts means like why we use alert work as a send alert message to the to the group or admin, like your process instance is not working, your process instance is going to like giving some error, your process instance is through an error, that type of errors. If you want to send to the admin, that after that admin can rectify that error. Okay, so you can do that from here. So you can use the system default for error alert. But basically we use custom error alert setting and use two options like alert to recipient by the expression here, and alert send alert to the following users. You can select the users from here, and you can search here. Actually, what we do, we create a group for alerts, alert group, alert group, and create a constant for it, and we use that particular constant here. Or you can use that particular, sorry, here you can use the group, or you can use that particular constant here of that particular group. From here you can use the alert settings. Okay, and third option is like uh, these annotations that we are using already here. That annotations like what we are going to perform in a process model, like if there is any update, then you can type it here that you updated a particular node, or like annotation is working like a message box only. You can add some details about the process model. Okay, and fourth one is use keywords like create, classify, get, start. Okay, update, remove. Like if you are going to use uh, let's suppose you are uh, use a script task, and you update a very particular variable here, pv here, then you will use update pv. Okay, like that you can use here keywords like update, add, insert. Okay. Okay, and next is concat the unique ID of main object that process is handling to display name of process instances. Okay, actually, what we do, we have to go to the UIT and task display name. We have to actually we have to declare the task display name. So that's why if you use the task report and you perform the task and share the task detail to any other user, he can easily understand, he can easily understand that what type of task assigned to him or not. Okay, so that's why we use it particular um, process instances. Okay, then what is next, that uh, security must be given to admin. Actually, there are two type of securities, like admin security and user security. So admin security will always be given to the admin only. Okay, process should have start form, and if you want to if you want to go, if you are going to use this particular instance process model in a site, so what we do here is start node, and we use a start form here by using the process start form, and you can use that particular interface here. Because why we use this uh, start process start form, that we are if we want to add this process on the site, then the from site it automatically or easily run that particular instances. Okay, next one is like admin should have admin permissions over the process model. It is done, I think. So like it's related to activity chaining. If suppose you are going to use a UIT and you start a form, this UIT will not be hold. Let's start debugging it. Okay, then you check. Okay, this is issue with this plugin, so don't issue, no issue. Let's work on that particular UIT. If you are not using the in activity chain enable, that you can't hold that particular UIT, so you have to use a particular activity chaining when you want to use the UIT, or if you want to refresh the data automatically in the records while using the read only grid. Okay, next one is like dummy nodes between two logical gateways. Like let's suppose if we are using uh, let's suppose we are using AND gate here. Okay, AND gate here and AND gate here means that when you are using two or uh, multiple logical gateways, then you have to use a script task between them. Dummy script task, we can say it is. There is no value, it will not given any output. It's by only a better understanding we have to use the dummy script task. Okay, next one is uh, like we have to use if we are like suppose there is a multiple node in a single process model, then we have to use these sub processes. Let's suppose uh, this this activity I want to use in another process, then we can use this process in another process and use that process by using some process here. Okay, these are the some best practices that you have to follow, and other best practices will be covered automatically when you are start working on it. So that's why today's video it is if you have any doubt or any comment, you can comment in the comment section below, and it is done for today. Okay, thank you.